Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a chicken Parmesan sub. So first things first, we've got a little bit of oil heating up here in a medium skillet. Got this over about medium heat. We're going to wilt just a little bit of spinach in the oil. Careful, it'll pop a little bit because of the moisture in the spinach. Add a pinch of salt to this. Some fresh cracked black pepper. Just about the time that you put that on the heat, you can go ahead and kill the heat. The oil that's in the pan is going to be nice and hot. You can just move it around a little bit. Don't want to over wilt it. Okay, transfer that out to a bowl. Bring the heat back up to about medium. Add just a touch more oil. We're going to brown our chicken on both sides before we transfer it to our oven that is preheated at 375 degrees. We have a seasoned flour here that we've dredged our chicken breasts in, that we've cut into 4 portions. Okay, we're going to let those brown. Go ahead and kill the heat, let those go for just another minute or so. Okay, we're going to transfer our chicken breast to the baking sheet. I'm going to turn our broiler on now. We will finish these up under the broiler. We're going to save the spinach for the last minute. Got a little bit of marinara sauce. Got grated Parmesan. Shredded mozzarella. A bit more seasoning on top. Fresh cracked black pepper. Gonna pop these under the broiler and allow the cheese to melt and our chicken to continue to cook through. We'll keep a close eye on those. Okay, we are ready to pull our chicken parm from the oven. Cheese is nice and melted. So we're going to let that sit there for just a second to cool, and then we will assemble our sandwiches. Okay, at this point, all you got to do, you can put a little bit of marinara in on your bread. Take your chicken, place it on the bread. Top it with a little bit of your wilted spinach. Top it off. All that's left to do now is to repeat this process and plate them up. And we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.